Meet the new Ford Focus. One of Britain's most loved family hatchbacks has been updated for 2018 to concur with the Focus 20th commemoration. It has a fresh out-of-the-plastic new look, more tech and toys, more trim choices and a £17,930 beginning cost. With Volkswagen capturing second place in the UK's new auto enlistment tables with the Golf a year ago, and landings, for example, the Kia Ceed and Toyota Auris practically around the bend, Ford's active Focus was falling outdated. Therefore, the firm has struck back with the fourth H Focus, which is marked down now in front of September conveyances. The Focus Go touches base with 7 commonplace trim levels: Style, Z-Tech, ST-Line, ST-Line X, Titanium, Titanium X and Big Now. The style begins at £17,930, bringing down the passage point to the range by £2,300 contrasted with the past H. Additionally up is the lively-looking ST-Line, which begins at £21,570. While drivers searching for the most rich Focus have the choice of the Big Now, which opens the books at £25,450. What's more, there is a Ford Focus Active, which gives autos a SUV enhanced with additional body cladding and a 30mm starlight bonus. A domain form has additionally been propelled, which, beside the Active model, gloats an indistinguishable trim lineup. With the back seats collapsed, the domain offers 1,650 liters of conveying limit, a touch in excess of a VW Golf Estate or Vauxhall Astra Sports Tourer can oversee, however marginally behind the huge Skoda Octavia Estate. Come late 2019, both the domain and hatchback extents will be reinforced with warm ST renditions. Take a snappy look at the new Focus, and you would be excused for deduction this isn't the spotless sheet configuration Ford claims. From the nose there's a reasonable look of the old auto, yet gaze harder and you understand it's something beyond a shop reboot. Relatively, the Focus has developed a great deal, outside outline director Jordan Dinky revealed to Auto Express. The lodge sits a great deal additionally back contrasted with the old auto, and the A columns are inclined in reverse. Include the more drawn-out cap and there's an all the more capable look, he said. This is upgraded on the high-spec autos. On the off chance that you run for a Focus with bigger wheels, it gobbles up more sheet metal, enabling the auto to sit better. The Focus is currently lower and more extensive than previously. We have possessed the capacity to accomplish all the great measurements of auto plan while offering more space. At the edges, that perfect sheet attitude is more obvious. With this auto we extremely needed to proceed on with the outline dialect, said Dinky. The past auto was styled under our kinetic plan impact, though the stylet is substantially more athletic. Portage still perceives how the first Focus was not just a pioneer for hatchback plan in the new 1000 years, yet additionally how it changed the firm into what it is today. It was an auto that killed off the dim cost-sparing days spoke to by the Mk5 Escort, inviting in another, all the more brave brand character. While the outline looks not at all like the first Focus, at that point, under the body, Ford has endeavored to hold a portion of the old auto's amusing to drive DNA. The Mk4 is based on Ford's new C2 stage and most models highlight free back suspension, simply like the first auto, and continuously controlled damping. Under the hood each Focus offers the typical determination of petroleum and diesel motors, all with stop, begin as standard. The key petroleum will be the 1.0 EcoBoost in 84 bhp, 99 bhp and 123 bhp yields, with CO2 discharges as low as 108 grams/km.